DeLuca here. All right, today I'm going to do another straight pour. I have had people saying how much they miss seeing me do straight pours because I've been trying all these different techniques, and I can't tell you why I was doing that yet, but I will tell you that it has something to do with my big announcement. So there's a hint. All right, the colors I'm using today, I have unbleached titanium. That will be my base coat color and the background color. Turquoise by Artist Loft, burnt umber, and I have Americana, DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in rose gold. I don't know if this color will sell, but I've used 3 other colors from that line and they did. So perhaps we will center it a bit better. To start, I will put on my gloves. Must protect the manicures. Of my base coat color in the cup. Show you the consistency we have going on here. It's very thin. It does not make a mound when you drizzle it off the stick. It just disappears immediately. These are mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, and then thinned with my concoction. The bottle has seen better days. That's a mess. So let's lay down our base coat. I wanted to go for something soft looking for this piece. Usually when I do straight pours, I'm using very bold colors, and I wanted to go for something that was just a little more peaceful. Okay, so I'm going to do the burnt umber. And then the turquoise. And now the rose gold. All right. Let's make a mess, shall we? Well, that copper is very much on the outside. I was hoping that would sink a little more. Uh-oh, something's going awry in the center there. Oh boy, that's a bummer. Okay, we'll make it work. Some extra drips going on there. I had my cup at a strange angle. I'm gonna pop these bubbles. All right. Let me move this around a little bit, stretch it out, see what's going to happen before I start tilting it off. See if we can get some cell action. Remember to bring your paint back to center before changing directions That is one of the most important tips that I can give you. Here, I'm gonna little corner catcher so I don't tilt off all my cells on this particular area. Okay, and again, bringing the paint back to center. Actually, I'll probably do this corner. If you're very careful with how you tilt, you can almost get right angles in your paint so you can get those corners. All right. I still need to tilt some of this paint off. There's a good bit on there. What I'm gonna do is catch that little funky center area, just the corner of it. There we go. Bit because it stretches it out more. Okay, I'm going to let this sit and things are going to happen. I've already got some cells, the rose gold cells popping up, so 'tis a winner. And it's interesting, it's got blue edges around the copper cells. Okay, I'm going to just let this cook and I will be back in a few to show you the close-up. Okay, here it is. I got those cool little funky flower cells again. This piece came out great. I have no complaints. Soft and yet still bold. I love how I got the copper cells, well, rose gold cells there. It's like they're blue on the edges and then the gold is in the center. They are just so funky. But up top, we've got some of the bigger, bolder, B-O-U-L-D-E-R, bolder cells. They look like big rocks. And the way that The unbleached titanium blends in there, looks very soft. Love that. And then you can see that shimmer. And some of the shimmer is like on top of the blue when you get to the center. So cool. I am very happy with this piece. Definitely. Neat patterns going on. I like it. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did and you would like to support this channel, please below and check out my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. It is greatly appreciated. Also, the Amazon link, many of the items that I use are available in the Amazon store. However, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. Website, ginadeluca.net, where you can find my art and my music for sale. Be sure to check out my new CD, Better Than Chocolate. And there's actually a video for Better Than Chocolate, the song, which will probably appear in the end screens in this video. But it's also our Facebook group. Join us over there. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. If you are subscribed, make sure you hit that bell so you get notifications, because I think people were getting notifications and now I'm hearing that they're not. So maybe YouTube did something and you need to click the bell again. All right, y'all. Now go make some art.